Good morning! It's another Saturday, another Women's Day. So we're headed over to the Murray Speed Shop again. Today, I'm driving again, so it's going to be weird. But I don't have sunglasses on, it's kind of dark outside, so now you'll be able to tell that I'm not looking. So we're headed over to the Speed Shop. Got fenders from a 280. They have some lights in them. We're not really sure what they are. We think that they're Jeep lights, but we'll find out later today. What are we going to do today? So today we're going to try and get Jim the Honda Civic SI done. Like, completely done. One car, ready to go, except for tires. We still need to order tires, but that's okay. So today for Jim, all that we really have left is the fire suppression system and lights. We don't have lights for anything yet. Jim doesn't have anything to mount lights to either because he's never had lights. He's never done a nighttime race. So we're going to have to figure that out. We're also going to try and get some work done on the cage in the B210. That's an Allen job. None of us know how to weld, and so he's going to keep us alive. Hopefully. But other than that, I think that's all we're really trying to get done today, because we're getting fairly close so far. Once we get Jim, the Honda, all the way done, then we can work on the B210 full time. So I think we have approximately 3 open weekends left that we can work on the women's cars. We're still autocrossing, so I think the next autocross that we have is actually in Lawrence, South Carolina, and that's a 2-dayer, so that pretty much takes up a whole weekend if we decide to go. So I guess we'll see how much we can get done on both of these cars and then make a decision on whether or not we're going to go autocross or if we're going to stay home and try to get ready for Lennon's. So we're on the way. We'll do another video when we get there. Let you know what's actually going on, what's actually happening. So this weekend is also, because we autocross, the Dixie National Solo. It's part of the Solo Nationals Tour. So that's down in Valdosta, Georgia. So quite a few people from our Lemons team are down there this weekend. So we're short a little bit, but I don't think it's going to keep us from getting anything done that we need to get done today. So once we get to the speed shop, we'll check back in and let you know what we got going on for the day. Bracket making. What you thinking about?
Fixing to mess up some cage.
Why are you messing it up? What's wrong with it?
Back stays aren't at the right angle.
What are the back stays? Oh, the ones that come down.
Yes. It's supposed to be at 45 degrees and they're 35 degrees.
Ooh.
So I'm fixing it.
Fix it!
Fix it now or fix it later?
Fix it so Shelly doesn't die because she hits things. Shelly won't die. He said it. He said it out loud.
Not this time.
Shelly won't
Next
die.
time.